At Napco, our Forensic Building Solutions team delivers precision-driven reality capture services built for today's construction and engineering demands. We provide professional 3D scanning solutions that capture complex environments with speed and accuracy, generating detailed point clouds and precise 3D models that streamline documentation, improve coordination, and reduce costly field revisits. Our advanced laser scanning technology supports digital twins, BIM workflows, renovation planning, and forensic analysis, giving your team measurable data you can trust. We also offer state-of-the-art ground-penetrating radar services that deliver accurate, non-destructive insights beneath the surface. Whether you're planning new construction, detecting utilities, or performing structural assessments, our GPR systems provide fast, reliable subsurface data to help you make informed decisions with confidence. From high-precision 3D scanners and advanced GPR to drone mapping and autonomous layout robotics, Napco delivers the technology that powers modern construction intelligence across the tri-state region.